In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called iOS Launcher. This one, LaunchOS from Launcher Studio developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Settings. Then hit Apps. Scroll to hit Default Apps and choose Home App. Now click on Launcher Pro to apply it and tap on Allow All in the pop-up. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wanna make any changes, go into Launcher Pro app. If you want to, you can also go to the last page and hit OK in this pop-up to access all of those options even faster. Then go back. And if you wish to go back to your standard layout, go into Settings, tap on Apps, Default Apps, and go into the same section to click on Moto App Launcher. You can switch between them whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!